Hit me. Right in the sternum this time, T, baby. You already know. You already know. You already know. Damn. It's that hustler music, young Weezy got that motherfucking hustler music. So ride to it, y'all, vibe to it, y'all. Damn. Goddamn, mix the hit again his head with this one. I'ma paint the city red with this one. I'ma head with this one. See you.
Hey, what's going on, guys? If you're in the Texas area and you're looking for epoxy materials, we are a one-stop shop to everything epoxy with 3 locations in Houston, Austin, and San Antonio. If you need addresses, look them up on Google or call our main office at 832-813-8260. Peace.
Hey guys, here we are at MyFitFoods test kitchen. Yesterday we got started, we were degreasing the floor, and today we're starting the actual grinding process. So, thing number 1, getting prep. Number 2, and these are all gonna be full flakes. We're gonna go up the cove as well. This is the main area, it's the kitchen. So all this has been degreased. All this has been degreased already. We have a 1 walk-in cooler right here. It's going to be full port system. This has an existing coating, but the customer is adamant that they don't want a full demo of the floor. So what we're going to do is we're going to surface prep this. As you can see, the guys have made progress all in this cooler. There they are with the Lavina going through. So they get all this done, they'll start working themselves out here to get all this done. Once the prep is done, we'll move on with a 3-coat meat system. We have some joint repair to do, and the guys got some cement down today. So that's where we're at, and we'll check back in once we get to day 3. What's up, guys? Here we are at MyFitFoods commercial kitchen. The guys have wrapped up the 2nd coat of a 3-coat meat system. So we've demoed, we've prepped, we patched, we put our initial coat down. This is our 2nd coat, which is the build coat. So if you follow me, the guys are prepping to put our final coat, which is a high-wear urethane. We're getting started in here. We'll also be adding a 30% ratio of grip into this floor. It's going to be broadcasted in. So the guys are getting started back here, and they'll be applying this high-wear urethane here. Hola, Cuba. So hopefully, and then by the end of the day today, we should be wrapped up. So this one's not getting any yellow lines or anything like that. This is just 3-coat meat system. So The owner walked it this morning, gave us a thumbs up, said we're all good to go. So we're gonna put down the top coat and wrap this one up. And then tomorrow we start the horse track. So we're going from this one to another one. So that's about it. Juanito was downtown today. They're just throwing work at us. What happened today?
First, I want to send a shout out to the guys. The guys are busting their ass.
Yeah, straight up.
They're doing what they're supposed to, man. And they're all on the same line, having a good time while they're doing it. That's the cool part about it. But it's a bunch of people hitting us up, man. They want these floors, and we are knocking them out. So
shout out to Freddie LSX. We've done that floor, and I don't know how many people have called us. Hey, we want Freddie's floor.
Yeah.
We want Freddie's floor. We want Freddie's floor. So,
which is really how we started New Era.
Yeah.
10 years ago, we started by silver, Arco, metallics all the time. Freddie just brought it back to life.
Yeah.
At some point, we were just like, oh man, another one.
Something else, please. We were giving discounts to try to sell some other colors.
Yeah, some colors. Big shout out to the guys. They're stepping up to the plate. They're doing what they're supposed to. These guys are doing what they're supposed to, and it all comes together, guys. It's a team effort. It's a system, and we are showing y'all guys, and we tell y'all all the time, the system. Get the team, build, marketing, videos, and not only that, but I want to say the biggest part about it is
once you show up, then you got to perform. Because then, you know, customers like this and GCs like this, they call you back. You might get one, but the key is to keep getting them. They, when they're one on the books, they just call you. And so that's where we're at now. So a lot of the time, especially with our course, we go into detail in that. So there's a lot of things in our course and our training that we go into that maybe other companies don't, as far as Juan on the marketing side, me on the sales side, and just little things we picked up along the way that you can.
Talking about the training class.
We do have classes coming up. If you go to www.EraEpoxyAcademy.com, we have the dates on there. I have people enrolling for our Austin class, which is at the end of September as well. So classes are filling up. If you're interested, if you want to know how to do this, if you want to, literally, Chris Lavin tells us all the time, epoxy changes your life, and it is not a joke. So if you want to learn how to get in the business, or you want to, you know, a hobby on the side or whatever, it's the perfect beginner course to get you introduced into flakes and metallics and all that. So hit us up on the website, subscribe to the YouTube, check out the Instagram,
TikTok, everything on the New Era Epoxy, guys. All the numbers you need are on there.
So I'll let you later.
Getting here, you're a little weird.
hustler music. So ride to it, y'all, vibe to it, y'all, damn. Goddamn, mix the hit in his head with this one. I'ma paint the city red with this one. I'ma head with this one. See